Blimey, mate. Ever had a dog walk turn into a circus? That's my life with Sir Barks-a-Lot. Meet my dog, Sir Barks-a-Lot. He's a Labrador with a flair for the dramatic. Walkies, I shout, and he thinks it's the Olympics opening ceremony. A lady with a tiny poodle looks at me like I'm mad. He's just excited, I explain. She just sighs and says, "Bless you, love, blimey the judgment." I start a conga line of dogs. "Follow the leader," I yell. Suddenly, it's a furry parade blocking the whole street. Passers-by are staring. Blimey the stares. Next time, I'll just stay home and watch Netflix with Sir Barks-a-Lot. Walkies, he whines. Nah mate, Netflix and chill, cheers, love. Subscribe and go outside at 1802 Guy.